All right, so we're going to go over this Hoover Shampooer repair today. I'll put a list of model numbers in the notes below that this applies to the best of my ability. But generally speaking, this is going to apply to most Hoovers that look generally like this. We're going to be doing a hose pump replacement today. So there's two pumps in this unit. One of them is for the spray at the base that sprays on your carpet, and the other is a pump that you plug the hose into for upholstery cleaning and the like. The upholstery cleaning hose pump is what we're going to be looking at replacing today. So I'm going to remove the tank, and then I will pop off the front piece here. I'm going to start from the bottom. There are 8 screws on the bottom that need to be pulled out. On newer models like this, all the screws are the same size. If you're working on an older model, a lot of those units use different size screws. So you have to kind of pay attention to where all your different size screws are going. The newer models also mark where most of the screws are. I'm going to pop this out. So this you don't unscrew, it just pops out. You kind of pull out one side and then pull out the other side, they pop right off. Hopefully it doesn't break in the process. So there's 8 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the bottom. Alright, so we'll flip it over, and there are going to be 2 screws on the top right here. This you don't need to take off. It appears one of the screws on the bottom I didn't get out completely. Probably just needs a couple more turns. I think it's this one right here. The other ones fell right out. Boy, that puppy's on there. There we go. So the pump we're replacing is right here, and that is the hose pump. There's 1 screw down here. And then it will pop right out. There's two hoses on it. The one larger hose comes down from the top, is the hose that you're going to take off. If you're replacing the pump, it should come with this hose on the pump and this whole assembly. I'll put the part number you're looking for in the notes as well. For this, Hoover no longer publishes part numbers for these machines for repair. But that is the unit that you're going to be replacing, and I'm not going to go through putting it back together. It's pretty straightforward. You can just do the reverse there, pop in your new pump, and you should be good to go.